Hello everyone. It's your answer. Okay. Currently, I'm getting if you are thinking about someone with whom you are in long distance, with whom you are in no contact, or this person is your crush, or you are facing some third party issues with that person, then this is your answer. Should you wait for this person or moved on? Will this person will come back to you or not? Okay, so this is basically yes or no reading. Okay, like the person currently on your mind will come back to you or not. If you want to book your personal reading, customized ritual, subliminal affirmation, and love spell, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com. And for free tarot card readings and remedy videos, you can subscribe this channel, Pius Manifestation. Okay, so basically I got this is the current energy. You literally cry a lot, you are going through sleepless night, you feel isolated, you feel everything feels so empty without this person. You feel like nothing working out in this connection. You literally feel lost, depressed, devastated. Okay, you are literally thinking about that person, literally crying for this person. Okay, you can't sleep properly basically. And I'm getting there are third party issues you can see this two girl in this person's life. So yes, you are facing this kind of situation in your relationship. And now let's see what is your answer. You should wait or move on. Okay, so I got one card, that is the Temperance, so balance. Okay, let's check more. Will this person will come back to you or not? First, let's check this question. Will this person will come back to you or not? Okay, 10 of swords here. Okay, two of wands here. Okay, so for some of you, with that person you already broke up. Okay, maybe this person betray you. Okay, break your heart. I'm getting this kind of energy. And maybe this person choose the third party, not you. This kind of scenario. Let's see, will this person will come back to you or not? Manipulation, attraction, new spark. Okay, you are waiting for this person for a very long time. For some of you, 7 weeks, 7 months, and maximum 2 to 3 years. Okay, the Emperor. Okay, so basically I am getting for some of you, if you are dealing with your soulmate, then there is a possibilities like this person will come back to you and reconciliation. But if you are dealing with someone who is very toxic, manipulative, maybe disrespect you, hurt you so badly, then I am getting it's no. Okay, this person will not coming back. And actually you should move on from that kind of person who is toxic, who hurt you. Okay, don't don't waste your time for this kind of toxic people, because you deserve soulmate, right? So basically I'm getting two types of energy here. For someone, I'm getting definitely this person will come back to you. If you are dealing with your soulmate and if you try to heal, then the Temperance here, because angels preparing two cups for union. So definitely this person will come back to you as a completely changed person, as a new version, as a pure energy. You can see literally this energy will changed. But if you are dealing with manipulative, toxic kind of person, then it's no, this person will definitely not come back into your life. Okay, let's check more. Okay. For some of you, definitely it's a yes. This person will come back to you and you will find the new spark in relationship. So two types of energy. For some of you, if you are dealing with a karmic toxic person, it's no for you. And if you are dealing with a soulmate, then it's yes. Yes, definitely. I'm getting two types of energy. You can see mixed cards here. Yes, definitely. So clearly, I'm getting some energy here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy is very strong. So this is your answer. If you are dealing with karmic toxic person, then no, this person will not coming back to you. And if you are dealing with a soulmate, then definitely this person will come back to you. Okay, claim this.